Hey everyone, it's so good to be back. I know it's been a while since the last video. Life threw a few things my way, and I had to take a little break. But now, I'm back, and I've got some amazing content lined up for you. In today's video, we're diving into real everyday English, the kind of conversation you'd actually hear between two friends hanging out. Let's jump right in, and thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate you all. Finally done for the day. Man, what a grind. Tell me about it. That client meeting just sucked all the energy out of me. At least the presentation went better than I expected. Yeah, that was the good part. The client actually liked our work. But honestly, I hated how the manager kept butting in every 2 minutes. Exactly. It was like he didn't trust us to handle it. Still, we pulled it off. True. Anyway, how are you heading back? Same long Staten Island commute? Yeah. Lower Manhattan to Staten Island during rush hour? Absolute nightmare. If I even find a seat on the ferry, I'll consider myself lucky. Man, that's rough. At least for me, it's just 30 minutes to Brooklyn by subway. You're lucky. For me, it's almost 2 hours every day, one way. That's 4 hours of my life wasted in transit. Damn. Ever thought of moving closer to Manhattan? Thought about it, but rents here are insane. Brooklyn's expensive too. Staten Island's far, but at least I get a decent apartment without selling a kidney. Fair point. Housing in New York is a whole other struggle. No kidding. Sometimes I feel like switching jobs to something closer to home. But then again, what if the growth opportunities aren't the same? I get you. Honestly, I'm also thinking about switching. Our company's okay, but the raises are pathetic and the workload keeps piling up. Totally. We put in extra hours, even weekends, but the pay doesn't match the effort. Exactly. Feels like we're stuck in a loop. Work, commute, sleep, repeat. That's New York life for you. But seriously, I'm updating my resume. Planning to start applying in the next few months. Same here. By the way, your folks asking about marriage yet? Oh God, yeah. My mom brings it up every other week. Keeps sending me pictures of nice girls. I keep telling her, let me sort my career first. Classic. Same at my place. My aunts won't stop asking when I'm settling down. I just dodge the question. Honestly, marriage feels like such a big responsibility. With job stress and these long commutes, I can't even think about it right now. Totally. First, we need career stability. Marriage can wait, exactly. But parents don't see it that way. For them, once you hit your late 20s, it's wedding time. True. For them, career and stability are separate. For us, career itself is stability. Well said. Anyway, what's your plan tonight after Brooklyn? Nothing fancy. Just grabbing a slice of pizza and crashing at home. You? By the time I get back to Staten Island, it'll be past 10. Just dinner and straight to bed. Same cycle again tomorrow. Yep, that's the grind. But hey, one day we'll both land better jobs and maybe shorter commutes. Fingers crossed. Until then, we keep pushing. Exactly. All right, my subway's here. See you tomorrow at the office. Yeah, man, good luck with the pizza run. I'll go fight for space on the ferry. Good luck with that. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and picked up a few natural English expressions along the way. If you're new here, consider subscribing. There's a lot more real, everyday English coming your way. And if you liked this video, a thumbs up really helps others find it too. Let me know in the comments what kind of conversations you'd like to see next. And as always, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.